Need to cancel your Plix order but not sure where to start? Don't worry. This quick and easy 2026 guide has you covered. Whether you ordered by mistake, changed your mind, or found a better deal, canceling a Plix order is straightforward when you know the right steps. In this updated walkthrough, you'll learn exactly how to request cancellation smoothly and what to expect afterward. Let's keep things simple and stress-free. First is log in to your Plix account. To cancel your order, make sure that it's not shipped yet. If that's so, you cannot cancel your order, so make sure to check it first. Next is go to My Orders and find the order you want to cancel. Click the Cancel Order button under the details, choose a reason, and confirm. That's all you need to effortlessly cancel your Plix order in 2026. With the updated steps and tips above, you can manage your orders confidently and avoid unnecessary delays. If your cancellation doesn't go through right away, remember to monitor your email or reach out to Plix support for quick assistance. Feel free to bookmark this guide for future reference and enjoy a smoother shopping experience ahead.